Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check your Credit One credit card application status. Let's get straight into the video. It's going to be a quick one. First, you have online application status check. So you can just go to the Credit One website, and then you want to look for the check your application status link and just click on that, and then just enter your last name, social security number, or you could also use your individual taxpayer identification number, and you're going to need your zip code as well. And once you have all of that, just click the submit to retrieve your application status. Now, for phone application status check, all you got to do is call Credit One's customer service. The number is right there on the screen, and then just share your application reference number or your social security number to retrieve your application status. So the customer representative is going to provide you with your application status once you provide your reference number or your social security number. Now, for application status definitions, there are some terms that you need to understand. The first is approved. So your application has been approved and you will receive your credit card in the mail. Now, if you see denied, that means your application has been denied and you're going to receive a letter explaining the reasons for denial. There's also pending, and if you see pending, that means that your application is still being reviewed, and this may take a few days or weeks before the status changes. Now, no more information. Credit One requires additional documentation or information to process your application. So if you see this the status need more information, that means Credit One requires additional documentation and information in order to process your application. So a couple of tips and reminders for you guys when doing this. The first is to check your mail. Now, Credit One may send updates on your application status via mail, so you want to make sure you check that regularly. Also, wait 7 to 10 business days. So if you haven't received a decision, you got to wait 7 to 10 business days before checking your application status again. And also, if you have questions or concerns about your application status, just reach out to Credit One's customer service, and they're going to help you out with that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.